Good morning, my dear students. Today we will be continuing this chapter, Microsoft Word 2010. In this chapter, today we will explore how we can enter the text in the MS Word and how we can do modifications in that. So first of all, creating a new document. Creating a new document means you have to choose a new file where you can type your text. So what will be the steps? Let's learn. First of all, you need to click on the File tab and select New option. The Backstage view will appear. From there, select the Blank Document option from the Available Template section and click on Create button. After you are going to click on the Create button, you will see a new document will appear on your screen. Here is a tip for you that you can create a new document by just simply right-click on the desktop and choose New, and in the New, select the Microsoft Word document. In this way also, you can create a new file in the MS Word. To create a new document in the MS Word, first you need to choose this File option. In this File option, you will be finding after clicking this, you need to choose the New option. File tab, New option. After clicking this, the window which is appearing over here is known as Backstage view. Okay, so in this Backstage view, you will see there are available templates. So in these available templates, you need to choose the first one, which is your blank document. So when you are going to click on this blank document, you will see a button over here, that is Create button. So when you are going to click over this Create button like this, you will see a new document will appear on your screen. So this is how you can also create your own new document in the MS Word. So let's see the another method also. This is your desktop. Here, just right click and choose the New option. In the New option, you will be finding many options, right? So folder shortcut, but you need to choose Microsoft Word document. So simply right click, New option and Microsoft Word document, and you will be finding this new Word file will come on your screen, and when you are going to open it, you will see a blank document on your screen. Entering the text in a document is very simple. So you must remember, do not press Enter key when you reach at the end of the line. That means you have to keep typing. So when you have to keep on typing, your cursor will automatically get shifted to the next line. And this feature is known as word wrap. To start a new paragraph, simply press the Enter key. So you are supposed to press the Enter key only when you have to start a new paragraph, not the new line. Let's know more. To insert a black line in the existing lines, press the cursor at the end of the line and then press the Enter key. By using these steps, you can create a blank line in between the two lines which is already existing. To enter the text in your document, first you need to click on the place from where you want to start your typing. So I had clicked here, and you can see a cursor will appear on your screen. And this here, the place where you had clicked, there is a cursor. When this cursor appears, that means now you can start typing. So I'm going to complete this birthday invitation, and my next line will be, you are invited to attend the party. right? And then my next line is kindly reach, but you can see after reach, space is over in the same line. Do I need to press the enter key now? No. My cursor will automatically move to the next line without pressing the enter key. So let's continue the typing and see, will it move to the next line or not? Reach on time. So you had see my cursor automatically shifted to the next line when this space is over in the current line. So this feature in which cursor automatically shifts to the next line is known as word wrap. So when you have to start a new paragraph, then you have to press the enter key. So press enter key only if you want to start a new paragraph, not the new line. Selecting the text in the word is most important if you want to do any modification either in the text or in its appearance. So that means first you need to select the text, only afterwards you can make changes in that. So how you can do that? First of all, place the cursor before the text you wish to select. Then hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse over the text to be selected. At the end, release the mouse button and then you will see the selected text gets highlighted. So you need to place the cursor, hold down the mouse button and drag it over the text, and at the end, when your text is selected, release the mouse button. Now let's start selecting the text. I want to select this birthday invitation because I want to change its color to the green. So first I need to click over here just before the text, okay? So I want to select birthday, so before birthday I click over here, okay? Then I need to press my left mouse button and drag my mouse over the birthday invitation because these are the two words that I want to select. And after that, when you see it gets highlighted, then release your mouse button. Now what will happen? Why we need to select it? When you are going to select it, only then you can make changes in that. Like now you can change its font color. You can make it bold or underline also. So for applying all these features, you need to select this text. Okay? Dear students, on the bottom right corner, that is here, you will be finding 5 buttons. These 5 buttons are used to change the layout of your document. Like the by default layout is this first one, which is print layout. And you can change it to full screen reading, web layout, outline or draft. Adding a new text in the word will be having the following steps. Place the cursor at the point where you want to add the new text. Then start typing the required text. And at the end, the typed text will appear in the document. Here is a tip for you. To delete a character, select the text and press the delete key. Instead of delete key, you can also press the backspace key. And using this, you can erase the text in the MS Word. But remember, first you have to select the text. To add the new text, like here I want to add the time also. So what will I do? I have to click over here, the place where you want to add new text, and then simply just start typing. Like party at 5 p.m. Okay, so what I had did is click and start typing. And after typing, you will see this new text will appear on your screen. And if you want to delete something, just place your cursor over there. Like instead of full November, I just want to write NOV. So what you will do is place the cursor over there or select the text and either press backspace key or press delete key. by using both the keys, you can simply delete your text.